The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Nissan Frontier with the Retrax Pro XR. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream SkyLine Crossbar system. This is utilizing the 60-inch long JetStream load bars, black shown here, but silver is also available. The SkyLine towers, which come in a set of 4 and have a quick release feature. Locks are available separately. You can pick those up for security. Not required to complete the kit though. In addition to the towers and the bars, you've got the landing pad 1 kits, which allow you to mount to the T-slots of this particular bed cover. So overall you have a 165 pound carrying capacity, and bars can be adjusted along the length of the tracks. So this has been a quick look for this system. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete kit with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.